Look how big that stingray is. It's massive, isn't it? 2, 3. They're hiding. And there's one over there in the plants, seahorse. That's awesome, isn't it? Isn't it? Starfish, you're right.
I found a spotty.
A spotty?
Yeah, spotty.
Oh yeah.
Spotty.
Oh yeah. That's cool,
Look at
isn't it?
them flat.
Is that a zebrafish? Nemo.
A black fish.
Clownfish, these
It's gone in
ones.
there now, isn't it? It's gone in there. Oh.
We've taken one. They're dolphins.